guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow. I just cleansed my skin, and so I'm gonna just do a bit of a mini hydration routine really quickly. I feel like I owe you guys an apology for not uploading at all last week. I felt like I had to re-strategize my content that I'm going to be pushing out for the rest of the year, because I felt like I was just blindly uploading and not really uploading content. I did that highly requested summer styling haul that you guys really wanted to see. I wasn't really in love with it, but I just decided to put it out. But I will do more like fashion videos even until for the rest of the, like I will do more fashion videos as we head into the rest of the year. I'm using natural light today. Should I use my ring light? It seems a bit temperamental, this lighting today. So I brought out the platinum wig today. It is from Sunburr Hair. I'll leave the details down below. It came in this color called 613, which is really that like blonde. And then I took it to my hairdresser and she just pretty much toned it so that it became this like light, or like not as yellowy, not as brassy as the 613 comes already. I have some new lashes today from Tandi Kama, her eyelashes. So I've got like four pairs. I think I know which pair I'll choose. It's called OMG. Oh my god, they're quite light and but still like wispy and fluffy and stuff, but I haven't worn them at all, so we're gonna see how it goes. So let's get started. So for any like summer look, like summer hot girl summer look, I don't even know what that means, but you really want like hydration. It's hydration, it's radiance. So you guys, when we do my skin prep, I'm just gonna spritz some Smashbox primer water real quick, and then on top of that I'm gonna go in with my NARS Orgasm, and I'm just gonna put this like around my cheek, not everywhere, just like my cheek area and my nose. Just gonna work it in this area just for like some added luminescence and radiance. To be fair, I could walk out like this on a hot day. So my foundation today is the Dior Forever foundation, and it's a mattifying foundation, and I'm the shade 5N. So summertime, I like to have a focus on skin, but still I don't want it too heavy. Like I don't want it too heavy, too cakey. So we're gonna really start off with a very light coat of foundation. Now, this is the tricky part, not getting foundation on this hair. My wig is pushed back quite a bit because I just don't want to get anything on it, but we'll bring it forward and all of that. But yeah, I feel like my focus this December will definitely just be on evening out the skin tone as opposed to full on coverage. Like my approach to coverage will be a little bit more different. For concealer, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. It's the MAC 24 Hour Studio Fix concealer in NC45. My office is at that stage where it's such a mess, like products everywhere. We had painters. My office was not in, I wasn't in my office for like a week because we had painters in here. I really couldn't film. I was vlogging, so which I'm still doing. I'm still vlogging, but my office was like out of order for like a week, just over a week actually. So we're gonna set. My setting now has also changed slightly heading into summer. I'm not baking per se, I am just setting the under eye, and that's about it. I think I touched on this in the previous video as well. Setting for the purpose of, one, your concealer not creasing, because it is summer, it is a bit hot, just to avoid that melting that we just don't want happening. Now I'm gonna set my foundation. You guys have seen me do this so many times, but just I'm pretty much flying through it. I would have never thought I would be in blonde hair ever in my life. I'm so vanilla, it's crazy. I'm fearful when it comes to like experimenting. So I'm going to be playing with this palette, the Shayla Perception palette. I bought this by accident, okay? So I think you've seen me already talk about this on my vlog or something like that. I bought it by accident. I thought I was buying her latest one, the yellow one. That's the one I thought I was buying. I bought this in Mozambique. I snatched it up only to realize when I opened it, I was like, but anyway, I'm taking the shade called Revenge, and I'm placing it in my crease. I'm going to work my way up. It's a really nice palette. Like, it's just your warm palette with a few hints of like purple, blue. I also haven't really tried any other eyeshadow looks with this hair. I'm quite scared. I'm pretty sure anything would work well though. I guess I just need to get over my fears. I'm gonna dip into my Modern Renaissance palette because I still want to work with these browns. So I'm gonna take Red Ochre from my Modern Renaissance palette and deepen up that crease here. I've also been busy with my lobola situation. I feel like I need to update you guys on that. It's taking place on the 1st of December, so that's also what has been occupying my time. Of course, I'm getting a dress made and all of that jazz. I'm going for my first fitting tomorrow, so but that I haven't been vlogging because I want it to be a surprise. Like, I want it to be a surprise, which is why I'm a little bit tight-lipped about it at the moment. Pretty much doing introductions and lobola in the same day. I'm gonna pop some gold in the tear duct. So I'm gonna take Diva in the Shayla palette. Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. My lashes today are, like I mentioned earlier, Tandy Gamma. I think I'm gonna use, okay, I want to reserve the most dramatic ones. So I'm gonna use Fantasy. Taking some Dear Lash Glue. I like the clear packaging. Let me do some highlight while we wait. Oh, I did bring my highlighters. I have these loose pigments. This loose pigment from Inglot. So I'm gonna use that to highlight because the whole point of Hot Girl Summer is to be extra AF. And the idea of loose pigments is that they're so finely milled that they just melt. They just melt into the skin. Oh, shit. Like, it looks intense, but it's amazing. I love that lash. It's not too much, you know, especially for like daytime vibes. I don't know what I'm gonna do for my lipstick. I personally would do a gloss, but keeping in mind like being outside and the wind and gloss getting stuck, your hair getting stuck in the gloss, I'm gonna go for matte today. This is a MAC lip pencil in Nightmoth. I still like a little cheeky overlining situation. And I'm taking my MAC Back in Vogue lippy. Love that. Now we're gonna set our face with the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. These Shimmer Fix Pluses leave a little bit of like a golden specks on your skin, so you give it a really good shape so that it's not too clumpy. And then rinse away. Now we can get styling our hair. So the finishing touch on my hair is a bit of mousse. So this, you guys, is the finished look of my hot girl summer. You know, this is how we're stepping into December, looking foreign, looking a little bit, you know, different. No, I'm joking, everyone looks like this right now. So yeah, like I said, the hair is from Sunbur, so I will leave the link to the hair down below, and yeah, you'll see all the information down below, as well as the makeup products I used to achieve this look. Thank you guys for watching. While I'm here, I want to announce the winner of my second prize in my 36,000 subscriber giveaway, because I reached 36,000 during the course of last week. And the winner, let me find, I only know her handles. The winner of the second hamper is Chandra Emma Kippy. Her handles are Contently Kippy. She is so sweet. She is enthusiastic on YouTube and on the gram as well, and she's so supportive. Like, she creates these like little templates and stuff on Instagram to swipe up to my YouTube videos. Like I feel like I should hire her as my social media manager. Like, she's on it. She's on it. But anyway, well done, Chandra. Congratulations. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.